So guys, in this video we will see how to install and set up cloud in your MacBook. So guys, for install and use your cloud on the MacBook and macOS, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, simply search cloud on your computer. Okay, cloud download. Okay, after that simply go for the first link. Here you see that it is automatically detect your system. Okay, if you find that your system is different, so guys, you select from here. If you have a MacBook, so you download from here for Windows, and for Windows 64-bit versions, so download for macOS. It shows .dmg file, just click and save. And guys, here you see that I'm already downloaded the file. So you just go to this folder, double click on it. After double click it, the installation processes begin. Okay, now here you simply just copy this your application into the application folder. So first click on the app, then simply drag it on in the folder and just leave it. Okay, now guys, here you see the installation processes begin, and this is the progress bar. Okay, it will take only few seconds to complete. Okay, now here you see my cloud is successfully installed in my computer. After that, simply click on this application and wait for to open it. When it asks for some permissions, so you just click open and close all the okay, now guys, here you see that my application is ready. After that, here you see the new chat project. So if you have the account, so directly go here, and so I'm first logged out, then I'm show you how you sign it. So guys, simply click on the option of get started. Then here you see that we have the two options, like we continue with the Google and the Gmail. So just continue with Google, then continue. Okay, and wait a second. Here you choose your application, choose your email ID, then click the option of continue. After performing all the step, here you see that you are automatically logged in with your Gmail. Now here it show you how can I help you. So you simply enter your the code and what you want. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.